Okay, I was trying to go live, guys, but clearly I failed. Um, so things happen. It's most likely some kind of technical things because I'm actually at the hotel right now. I'm not sure. Maybe it's kind of like a fireworks that the hotel is not allowing me to do this live video. I'm not sure. Anyway, so sorry for this, let's say, technical issue. First and most, happy Valentine's to everybody. As I said, I'm right now at Paris and enjoying my Valentine by myself. Just a second, guys. I guess I was kind of nervous, and you clearly can see that I was like literally for almost 40 minutes trying to connect, doing like all different things, but it doesn't allow me. Anyway, as I said, I'm in Paris right now, and I'm gonna unbox with you guys a couple of things. I have a handbag over here, and I definitely need your feedback and clearly to see if you like it or not, should I keep it or not. But let's start from this little thingy. This is actually a hat. When I saw this hat, I was kind of like, oh my gosh, I really like it. But now I'm not quite sure, so I'm gonna put these things away. So here's the hat. It's looks like a simple baseball hat, but it has this twilly, and the great things about this twilly, because this twilly is actually removable. And again, guys, I have to apologize for the lighting. I'm trying to do my best. As I said, it's in hotel, and the price for this hat is obviously it's in euro, and it's and it doesn't say over here, but I believe it's 695, close to 700 euro. So in Canadian dollars, it's above 1,000. So, and I will show to you. And I kind of like, get really excited about this hat, but, and like, usually the girls also, they doing their job of being a salespeople. They're like, oh my gosh, it's so cute, it's so cute, you should have like keep it, and you can change the twillies any way you want. And in one sense, I'm kind of like, yes, it's really cute, but then like I have to remember that I'm not 20 years old. So what do you think, guys, of this hat? Once again, this twilly is completely removable. So let's say if you have your own different twillies, you can always change it. And I think on one side over here, there is also kind of like metal button. Like when you remove the twilly, let's say one day, maybe if you don't want to have any twillies and you want to just have a plain hat, it has a little button over there. It says Hermes. So this is the first unboxing, as I said, my hat. And the second one, obviously everything that you were guys waiting for, and I failed with my live video. It's this handbag. So it's a new style. It's a new style from the Hermes. So let's unbox together. And I'm not sure if I should keep it, if I should return it, because in one way I really like it, but there is a little thing is that I kind of unease about this handbag. So anyway, And this is the packaging that I just got from the oops, goes the other way around, from the so this is the dust bag, and it comes obviously with the pillow and what's the care booklet. So I'm gonna put it right under the table right now, guys. And here is the bag. Ta-da! So this is a new bag. They call it Della Cavalleria Elan. And if you guys follow my channel, you know that I have Della in my collection. I'm actually one of the first people when the Della was introduced. I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have this bag because I really, really love it. So, but I have it in regular style. It's kind of more squarish. And it's a little bit smaller than this one. So this one is definitely bigger than the square ones that I have. And this is in a tube color with palladium plated hardware. And it has a different constructions at my Della. So if you guys want, maybe I'm gonna also later on add all my videos about the Della bags, like, you know, the travel and everything. The great things about this bag and the Della that it has several adjustment buttons, holes. I mean, in my bag, it's only 3. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can make it like really short like that. This is the shortest setting. So it's really quite short, or you can make it on the longest one, and it's quite nice crossbody. At the back, it has a pocket like that, so clearly it has a pocket. But my bag has a different setting, because this one, it just has a one compartment with a tiny slip pocket. My bag, it has one compartment, and then it has kind of like almost like a hidden compartment at the back. And the straps also, they're kind of like right there on my bag, like literally almost like at this location. It's a little bit even higher than the slip pocket. But this one, they have it on the side, but they're kind of, I thought it would be better, but the problem is, like, see, when I'm holding the bag, like, you see how it's tilting up front? My bag, even though it's at the back, it's not even as much tilting, but this one is really very much tilting up front. I don't know, maybe it's because of the weight of the buckle. So even if I'm trying to keep it straight, like I literally have to kind of like, you know, adjust it. It's always tilting up front. So I really love the color. It's beautiful etude color. I really love that it's with palladium hardware, because I see this bag as more casual, kind of almost like a sporty. So I really, really hope that I'm gonna love this bag, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I love this bag or if I hate this bag, especially because I already have Della. I know how Della works. I know how much I love Della, and I thought like I will be really falling in love with Della Cavalleria Elan, but I'm not sure. And just to give you an example, this is my Constance 24. Like you see, it's almost as big as Constance 24. It's a little bit shorter, but it's way more kind of like, you know, puffy on the side. So it's much wider. So it's kind of shorter but wider. It has very nice capacity inside, so I'm kind of debating if I should keep this one. And that was the whole purpose of the going live, you know, going live stream. But apparently it didn't happen. So sorry about that, guys. So anyway, put your comments under the video. Should I keep it or should I return it? Again, let me show you all the features. It's just a one compartment. It's Epsom. It's a tube color with palladium plated hardware. It has adjustable strap. It has a back pocket. But as I said, it's nice, and I saw like many people actually get more excited about this one versus the very original Della. But to be honest, I'm kind of opposite. I like my original Della more than this one. I don't know, maybe I should get used to, not sure. Anyway, guys, please put all your comments. Sorry for such a hiccup with the going live. Maybe I should have tested and just making sure that it's actually gonna work out. But please, 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 put all your comments. Should I keep it or should I return it? The price of this bag is 6,700 and oh no 6,950, so pretty much 7,000 euro. So in Canadian dollars it's oh, I'm so sorry, I'm making up stories. I literally making up stories. No, it's different bag for that price. This bag is 5,400 euro. So in Canadian dollars, it's a little bit more than 7,000. I think 7,100, something like that. But so please put your comments below. Should I keep it or should I return it? I'm gonna have more stories of what's happened in Paris. I have more unboxing for you guys to show, but the whole purpose of this going live, because tomorrow is my last day being in Paris, and I have to make a decision if I'm keeping this bag and taking with me or if I'm returning. And I really, really need your help. Once again, just maybe this one is going to be even the thumbnail. Please, 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 let me know what you think. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Sorry for this stupid delay. Hopefully, I will try to do live video next time when I'm home. Okay, guys, bye-bye. Bye-bye. And thank you for being patient and being with me today.